Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you're doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed about organic compounds. Today, we are going to study another very important and interesting topic, which is classifications of organic compounds on the basis of origin. So, let's start. Classifications of organic compounds on the basis of origin. Organic compounds are divided into two major categories based on where they comes from. First one, natural organic compounds. Second one, synthetic man-made organic compounds. The first one, natural organic compounds. Definition: natural organic compounds are those which are obtained directly from living organisms such as plants and animals. They are not prepared in laboratories, they occur naturally in our environment. Sources of natural organic compounds from plants: sugars, mean glucose, fructose, cellulose, starch, oils, coconut oil, mustard oil, rubber, origins. These are obtained from plants. From animals, organic compounds are obtained, which is proteins, fats, urea, hormones, vitamins. Examples: glucose C6H12O6, sucrose C12H22O11, citric acid C6H8O7, cholesterol C27H46O. These compounds exist naturally without any artificial chemical process. Characteristics of natural organic compounds. First one, derived from living organism. Second one, purification is often difficult. Third one, structures may be complex. Fourth one, biodegradables. Fifth one, often used in food, medicine, and biological systems. And the second one is synthetic organic compounds or man-made organic compounds. Definition: synthetic organic compounds are those which are prepared artificially in laboratories or industries by chemical reactions. They are man-made and do not exist naturally in their prepared form. How they are made: chemists take simple natural compounds and modify or combine them to make useful synthetic products. These products may be plastics, medicines, fabrics, dyes, detergents. Examples: plastics, polythene, C2H4, whole chicken N, PVC, CH2, bonded CHCl, anti-N, synthetic fibers, nylon, polyesters, synthetic rubbers, Buna S, detergents, sodium, lauryl sulfate, aspirin, C9H8O4. Characteristics of synthetic compounds. The first one, prepared artificially. Second one, purity can be controlled. Third one, cheaper and easily available. Fourth one, millions of types possible. Fifth one, used in industry, medicine, agriculture, and daily life. Difference between natural and synthetic organic compounds. Feature: natural organic compounds, synthetic organic compounds. Origin: natural organic compounds from plants and animals, while synthetic organic compounds made in laboratories. Purity: natural organic compounds many contain impurities, while synthetic organic compounds highly purity possible. Examples: natural organic compounds glucose, protein, while examples of synthetic organic compounds as plastic, nylon, detergents. Availability of natural organic compounds limited in nature, while synthetic organic compounds easily produced in large amounts. Cost: natural organic compounds sometimes expensive, while synthetic organic compounds usually cheaper. Importance of natural organic compounds vital for life, proteins, carbohydrate used in food and medicines, environment friendly. Importance of synthetic compounds used in clothing, construction, packaging, provide advanced medicines, strong, durable, long lasting products. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on classifications of organic compounds on the basis of origin. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.